After 2 years of research, Sunshine launched an online distance learning program, a DLP, for preschoolers in January 2020. This affordable plan had a goal of ensuring quality education and learning for children across the world to develop their skills. According to research, 80% of a child's brain development is over by the age of 8, so each month is precious. When you enroll your 4.5-year-old into UKG, in our distance learning program, student kits are delivered at your residence. We conduct 1-hour classes each day, and these classes are further supported by teachers who are available to them for guidance.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Now, what you're going to do is, keep your hands sideways, take it down and touch your right feet, the same feet.
In the first term, we focus on developing motor skills like catching a bouncing ball, doing pattern writing, working on creative development to make collages. We also work on language development so that students tell stories to each other and to us. We then focus on cognitive development such as knowing basic colors. And we teach students self-help skills so that they can take care of their own belongings. These and 80 other parameters are monitored as a part of our DLP or online school program, as you may call it. And we are following a proven curriculum for the last 15 years. Here's what we have been teaching. In June, themes were taught. These themes included myself, my body, my pet, pre-number concepts, and the numbers from 1 to 20, pasting, solving puzzles, practicing yoga, enjoying dancing, as well as games in Friday's special fun classes.
5, 6, 7.
In July, we taught types of houses, colors, vegetables, healthy foods. We introduced them to vowels, to the numbers 41 to 50, to collage making, vegetable printing, carving, all online.
Wine, brick red, candy red, cherry red, berry red, ruby red.
Celebrations like International Tigers Day, Raksha Bandhan, Friendship Day were also done. Vegetable salad and non-flame cooking were conducted by our teachers. In August, the themes were rainy season, farm animals, plants, activities. We introduced activities like collecting leaves, water pouring, umbrella making, and we introduced games like nature walk, frog race, plucking flowers, numbers up to 90, words with vowels, word phonic drills. So we've covered a lot. Fridays are fun days for all our kids. In the first term, they learned dance, they played treasure hunt, made paper balls and bucketed them, did yoga with a twist, veggie art and non-flame cooking. Kids also celebrated Yoga Day, World Father Day and made lovely cards for their dads. Doctors' Day was celebrated, One Mahotsav was celebrated, Raksha Bandhan, Friendship Day, International Tiger Days were celebrated by making relevant crafts that made the kids listen to what our parents have to say about their child's progress in the first term so far.
Hi everyone, Namaste. This is Chinmay Satpathy, mother of Aradhya, studying in UKG at Sunshine Distance Learning Program. At the outset, I thank the whole team of Sunshine Distance Learning Program for their meticulous planning and systematic management of the program. Aradhya is very much enjoying the different concepts and innovative arts and crafts going on during the class. Overall, the program is very dynamic and interactive. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Naira.
And I'm Naira's mother. In this time of pandemic, when I was very sure of not sending my child to school, Sunshine Distance Learning Program came as a rescue. This is very nice program which they are running. They have really good teachers and their study material is very nice. They have very nice worksheets where child can actually learn and practice whatever they are learning. This 1 hour of the class is the most productive time of the day for her, and then she gets activity to do for the whole day. I'm really happy for my decision to enrolling her for Sunshine's distance learning program, and I recommend you also to do the same. Thank you.
I love my online classes. Thank you.
Thank you, Sunshine Preschool, for distance learning program for small kids. Ria loves attending her classes every day. Special thanks to Harsha ma'am, Sakshi ma'am, and all the teachers who coordinate for this program. Thank you very much. Ria wants to add something? Go ahead.
Sunshine Preschool, you are the best school in the world. And Harsha ma'am and Sakshi ma'am, you are the best teachers in the world. And
Already a lot of time has been lost this year due to unsettling circumstances. So what are you waiting for? Don't lose these precious months too. Continue with your child's learning for just an hour a day. All those who attend at least 3 hours a week and do 40% of the homework will be given a pass certificate from Sunshine. Sunshine is India's pioneer in preschool and daycare. Happy learning.